In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from Aliexpress to Ecwid, an essential step for those delving into the world of dropshipping. This guide is for every aspiring dropshipper looking to streamline the process of sourcing products and integrating them seamlessly into their online store. Let's get started with the first step. First, we need to navigate over to your Ecwid dashboard. Once you're there, take a moment to locate and click on the catalog section. Now, why are we doing this? The catalog section is essentially your control room for managing all your store's products, so it's the perfect starting point for our importing journey. Moving on, once you're in the catalog area, look for and click on Import or Export Products. This option is your gateway to modifying and managing your inventory efficiently. Within this section, you'll have various options to either bring in new products or update existing ones. It's a brilliant way of keeping your product offerings fresh and aligned with market trends. Next up, we have a critical action, selecting import products. By choosing this, you are signaling to the Ecwid system that you wish to bring in new inventory items to your store from an external source such as AliExpress. This step is crucial because it paves the way for the actual import process, ensuring everything is set up correctly for the next phases of integration. After selecting Import Products, your next task is to find and click on Import Catalog and Customer Base. This option is particularly significant as it doesn't just concern importing product information, but also ensures that any related customer data you might need is neatly integrated alongside your product listings. This holistic import process streamlines operations and can enhance customer relationship management by keeping all associated data under one unified system. Now, I want to point out a couple of tips to keep in mind as you go through these steps. Firstly, always ensure your product data is clear and well organized before starting the import process. This will prevent any hiccups or missing data issues once the products are live in your Ecwid store. Secondly, it's a good idea to occasionally review your Ecwid catalog settings to ensure that they align with the type of products you plan to import, including their categories, tags, and properties. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently bring products from AliExpress right into your Ecwid store, positioning you for success in your dropshipping endeavors. Remember, the key to a successful dropshipping business is not only having a reliable sourcing method, but also maintaining seamless integrations with your online store. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the world